Hey guys! Here are some PC tips to enhance performance of a PC or laptop. Go to Settings and navigate to Gaming section. Now click on Captures. Find these two settings and switch off these two settings. Now go to Graphics Settings. Find your game and click on it. Click on Options. Select High Performance and click on Save. Search for Task Manager and open it. Find your game and right-click on it. Navigate to go to Details. Again right-click on your game and go to Set Priority. Set it to High and click on Change Priority. Press Window plus R and type this text in the Run box. Click OK. Click on Continue. Select all the files and click on Delete. Select this box and press Skip. This will boost your performance, but if you are facing any problem, then restore these files. Here is a PC app which can boost overall performance of your PC. Go to Chrome. Search for PC Manager. Click on the first link. Now, click Download. This will create a shortcut of this app. It can clean the temporary files and close all the running apps. Also, you can check your PC health and threats present in your PC. I hope this all helped you a lot and your PC speed is increased now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more tricks like these.